Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new scrap store layout. So for this one, I knew immediately when I got my kit that I wanted to use this floral paper that had the brackets in the top left and the bottom right with flowers and everything. I knew immediately that I wanted to use it as my 2020 Crafty Goals layout, and I'm so excited and so happy with how this turns out. I do have a little hiccup and it's still kind of bothering me, but it's okay. That's life is full of hiccups, right? You'll know it when it comes. Anyway, so here you can see I have this cut file. I got that for free from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And I cut it out using my silhouette, and I knew that I wanted to use it on this layout. My only problem is because I cut it out on white paper, it's kind of blending into the background and just anywhere I put it. And so I set it off to the side because I knew I kind of wanted it in this top left-hand corner, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm going to start embellishing with the sticker sheets and the embellishments and everything that came in this month's kit. So as a design team member, I do get the main kit and the upgrades. The main kit is $12, and then the upgrades is $8. And if you decide to get the upgrades, that just adds a little bit extra onto your kit. And I absolutely have been loving the upgrades. I think the kit by itself, the main kit, is amazing. And the upgrades just kind of adds a little extra. So if you like a little extra oomph on your layouts, then the upgrades are perfect for you. So here I am working on this cluster up in that top right hand corner. I knew that I wanted to use some flowers. Now this is the, oh crap, I forgot the name of it, Cardabella Flower Market Kit. And so we got the Cardabella ephemera pack as part of the upgrade, and I absolutely adore this ephemera pack. It comes with big and small pieces, and I didn't feel like there was too much, but I also didn't feel like there was too little. And a lot of these times, these days, ephemera packs come with so much that you feel so overwhelmed. And maybe if you don't feel overwhelmed, I do when I get a huge or not paper pack, but ephemera pack, and I can't even use half of it. And so I feel like this kit has the perfect amount of ephemera. And then you also have the sticker sheet, which also just kind of helps incorporate some pretty things onto your layouts. So here I'm just finishing up this little cluster up here. I did decide to pop my photo up on some fun foam, and so I am just adding some of these pop dots. They're the 3D dimensional stickers from, I think it's just like the dollar area that Michael's used to have. And so I just added a few of those behind the flowers and then this little dream tag. And I thought that was perfect, and I absolutely love how this cluster turns out. I think this cluster up in the top right is my favorite. I just love this layout so much. Okay, so now this is where I'm going to go off and play on my silhouette, and I'm going to come back, and what I decided to do was to trace around the cut file and to use a piece of pattern paper from the kit that would just kind of help that white cut file pop off of the background. So I'm going to glue that down, and then I'm going to start embellishing around it. And the Hello 2020 is just going to be my very simple title, and that's all that is going to be to it. Okay, now I have the title down like I said. I did put down this Enjoy Your Life little sticker embellishment from the sheet, and now I'm just auditioning different pieces from the ephemera kit or ephemera pack. I really like this clock, and so I'm going to put that there with a few extra flowers, and then that cluster down there in the bottom is going to be done. And I really like how simple that is. Then I'm going to glue down 2 flowers up in the title cluster, and then I believe that's going to be it for this layout as it is. It's done right now. It is done. But hold on a minute and I'm going to ruin it. And I'm still so mad at myself that I totally ruin it. So here I'm just gluing down these 2 floral pieces in the title cluster, and I'll be back in just a moment. Here you can see I have pulled in a scrap piece of packaging, and I am writing out scrappy goals over and over and over again. I'm going to pull in a traveler's notebook, and I am going to do the same thing. I am going to just practice writing scrappy goals, crafty goals. And I'm like, okay, this looks good. I love how this looks. Now I'm going to do it on my layout. Here we go. Please don't cringe, because I am definitely cringing. I hated it. I absolutely hated it. It looked like crap. I wanted to die. But I was like, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna do it. Nope, it didn't work out. It just kept getting worse and worse. So I decided to pull out something else to do the journaling on. And it actually worked out that little embellishment piece came in the ephemera pack. And so I wrote out all of my goals on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover up the ugly spot with just a piece of paper. It's just an off-white piece of paper. And for now, that's how it's going to stay. I might end up doing a floral embellishment on top of it. I'm so frustrated with myself that I just kind of had to put it away. But you'll see the photos of it at the end, and you can't even tell that I had to cover it up. It's just, I know it's there, and it was really annoying. So I just made a pocket up in the top right-hand corner for the journaling, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great week. And if you would like to get your hands on this kit, make sure that you use my link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.